This is TOSJOHN Consulting, and this is a live streaming. So just like we've promised you that we'll always be showing up on this YouTube channel to bring you exciting information on all your business compliances. So this is our promise to you, and we are ensuring that we are fulfilling all these promises. We want you to avoid mistakes that will affect your business, We want you to avoid it. So as you can see in the title of our live streaming today, as you can see in our live streaming YouTube today, that the topic is tax mistakes small business owners must avoid. Tax mistakes small business owner must avoid, and of course, and how to fix them. Even if the mistake has occurred, of course, there should still be a way to fix it. But if you are starting out, like we're having a conversation with someone today, that, oh, this particular business, they are asking them, what the documents they need to, prepare or make available so that they will not have issues with the tax authority. So definitely that's why we are bringing you all these videos, so that you can have all this up-to-date information, about all your tax compliances. So tax mistakes small business owner must avoid and how to fix them. So are you a small business owner? Are you a small business owner in Nigeria? You're a small business owner in Nigeria. If you've ever paid unnecessary taxes, you've been paying taxes unnecessarily because you don't have the knowledge. So, of course, you will be hit with penalties. If you have been paying tax unnecessarily or been hit with penalties or fear tax audits, this video is for you. This video is for you. So in today's video, definitely we'll be revealing the most costly mistakes small business owners make and how you can avoid them legally. How you can avoid them legally. So So that is what we are bringing. So how you can avoid all these tax issues legally. That's the reason why we are bringing you all this video. So we'll be revealing to you the most tax mistakes that people are making. The business owner, entrepreneurs, even professionals, the mistake that they are making and how you can avoid them legally. How you can avoid it. So if this is your first time of joining our live stream, please make sure you subscribe. So you need to stay with us till the end of this live streaming so that you can see the mistakes that can ruin your business if you ignore it. The mistakes that can affect your business if you ignore it. So this is a very important live streaming. So we welcome you to TOSJOHN Consulting. You are welcome back again to all our subscribers, all our clients. So this is your number one platform. Yes, number one platform for business, for tax, for financial clarity, for all your business compliances. So please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the like button. You can avoid all these mistakes. And of course, if the mistake has occurred, how can you fix them? So this is a very important live streaming. So mistake number one is this: not registering for taxes early. The first thing that you can do for your business after registering it with CAC is to register it for tax. Register it for tax, and that is what we have been telling on our clients. There's no client that reach out to us for CAC registration. Of course, we also do tax registration for them because we are CAC accredited agents, and of course we are tax consultants. So that's the benefit that clients all over enjoy with us. When you register your CAC, your business with CAC with us as CAC accredited agents, we also help you to register it for tax. So the mistake number one is not registering your business name for tax. Not register for tax early is the mistake number one. So many entrepreneurs and business owners start business without registering for CAC, not registering for tax, and then no PAYE. You cannot, if you don't have TIN, you don't have PAYE. And remember, we've explained it here that even when you register for tax, you still need to be onboarded on the tax platform. And we explain it in a very simple way that most people that are using all these fintech bank like OPay, like PalmPay, use your phone number as your account number. And before you can start enjoying seamless transactions, so you'll be filing all your taxes on that e-tax platform, right? So if you don't have CAC, it's a big mistake. You have not registered your business for CAC. In fact, you cannot even have TIN for your business if you don't have CAC registration, for PAYE, for VAT. So if you don't have all of this, it's a big mistake for you. This can create backdated tax liabilities and penalties. Tax liabilities and penalties. So please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button, and share with other entrepreneurs. Thank you. So how do you now fix it? This is how you will fix this problem. Register your business properly for day one. So we are your CAC accredited agents. Register your business with us. For compliances, it will save you money. This will save you money if you are tax compliant. If you are business compliant, it will save you money. Then mistake number two, mixing personal and business money. We cannot overemphasize this. You can see that this is a mistake that entrepreneur must avoid. Mixing personal and business money together is a big mistake. When your personal and business money are in one account, tax reporting becomes messy. It becomes messy. We're having conversation with one of our prospective clients yesterday, and he said anything, any transaction, personal or business, go into the business account. I said, no, it shouldn't be that way. Let anybody sending you money for personal affair, let it go into your personal account. Let all business transaction go into business accounts. Don't muddle it together because it will create confusion and you'll be paying unnecessary taxes. Because tax authority will think that those money, they are income that have been generated for your business, whereas they are not. And that can make you pay unnecessary tax that you are not supposed to pay. So don't mix personal and business money together. So when your personal and business money are in one account, tax reporting becomes messy. So how do you fix this problem? Open a dedicated business account and pay yourself a proper salary or drawings. You can draw, then you narrate it. And we said you should know how your business is, the level of your business, and how much can your business pay you on a monthly basis. Take that once salary on every month basis, and don't be transacting your personal transaction on your business account. It's not advisable, it's not good. It creates confusion. So mistake number three is that recording, poor recording. No receipt, no invoice, no record equals to high taxes and audit risks. If you don't have receipts for your transactions, if you don't have invoices, if you don't have record, it will be equal to high taxes and audit risk. And there's no receipt. It will create confusion for your business. So you need to have a proper record keeping. We have videos on all of these on our YouTube channel. You can check it out. You can check it out. A very important video that we have put on our YouTube channel. So we are rooting for you. We are rooting for you. So that is why we are always here to help you on all your business compliances. So what do you need to do? You need to have a bank account. You need to have a receipt. You need to have invoice. And you need to have expenses record. This is very important. This is how to fix it. Then mistake number 4, late filing of taxes. Some organizations, some companies have not still filed their PAYE annual return filing for 2025, and the deadline is over, 31st of January 2026, for 2025 PAYE annual returns for their employee. They've not filed it, and then tax authority will now be coming to them, sending them letter, slamming them with penalties because they have failed to file all their tax returns as at when due. So even if you made no profit, right? Like for example, if you register for CAC, CAC will give you 18 months. After that 18 months, you must start filing annual returns for your business with CAC. Some businesses are not filing. They have been operating for years and they are not filing. And last year, 2025, CAC removed over 400,000 businesses from their portal because of non-filing. They are not filing. They remove it. And if you are using that business to do business, to conduct business, you are using the name that have been removed on CAC portal to do business, right? You are involving yourself in trouble, in problem, legal problem, because that name is not in existence again because you are not filing. So you need to file. We are your business tax compliances. Business growth support partner for tax, for CAC, for audit, for accounting, for all your businesses. We are here to help you. So reach out to us to help you with all your early filing. So you don't need to wait till the last minute. We've been telling business owners personal income tax filing 90 days after the accounting year end, from January to December. That's their normal accounting year end. And you need to file your PAYE, your personal income tax, 90 days after the accounting year end, and it's already on. This is already on. It's on. You don't need to wait till the last minute to start rushing. It does not make sense. Start filing now. The company income tax filing is already on. Start filing now. We are here to help you to do all this filing, right? Mistake number 5 is wrong PAYE remittance. Wrong PAYE remittance. Some employers don't register for PAYE or under declared salaries. There are so many of them outside. Many organizations, they will not register for PAYE. They will under declare salaries. And this can lead to huge liability during audits. They will discover it. It is a big risk during audit for you. And you need to register properly to be able to file accordingly and keep your record. Mistake number 6, ignoring withholding tax. Withholding tax is your credit, is your tax credit. For example, I'm your consultant and you do withholding tax for me, it is my tax credit, it is my money. That withholding tax is my money. You deduct it at source from my payments. It is my money, so you must remit it. So you cannot ignore withholding tax because it is a tax that you need to deduct and remit. So many businesses forgot to deduct withholding tax from vendors or fail to claim withholding credits. This means you might be paying more tax than necessary. So if you are a business and you do business with another business and they do withholding tax for you, they must remit it because it is your money. It will be on your tax portal. so that anytime you want to pay for tax, it will reduce your tax liability. If you have withholding tax, for example, of 500,000 and you want to pay tax of 1 million, that withholding tax that you already have will help you to reduce that 1 million tax by 500,000 because you already have 500,000 as withholding tax credit. So you just minus it from the 1 million. So it is 500,000 you will now pay in addition. So if any business is charging you withholding tax, that is fine. It is still your money. Let them deduct it because it is based on the law. And then let them remit it. Follow up with the remittance because that withholding tax is your money. That's why you need to register properly for tax so that all these tax credits can come into your tax portal and you can use it later to offset your tax liability. This is very important. So we can serve as your tax consultant, as your external auditor, as your business compliances consultant. So you can feel free to reach out to us. Then mistake number 6, mishandling VAT. Value added tax, you are mishandling it. VAT is not your money. When you charge VAT on your business to customer, it is not your money. It belongs to the government. And thank God for the Nigerian Tax Reform Act 2025, which has started already. That small business owner, other than professional consulting firm that have turnover of 100 million and below, they are regarded as small business and they are not meant to charge VAT on their invoice. They are exempted, but they will register for tax. They will be onboarded on the e-tax platform. They will file nil because they are not meant to charge VAT to their customer. But any company that are charging VAT, that their turnover is 100 million above, anything above 100 million, they will charge VAT. And then that VAT is not their money, is for the government. They are just helping government to collect it. And they must remit it on or before 21st of the following month. This is very important. This is very important. You must take note of it. So VAT is not your money, it belongs to the government. If your turnover qualifies, you must charge, file and remit VAT properly. So this is very important. Mistake number 8 is this: no tax planning. We've said this over time, that tax planning starts from keeping a proper record of all your business, the invoice, the receipts, the transactions that occur in your business. You have record, you are posting it, you have a book of accounts for your business, for all your business transactions. That is where tax planning starts from. That's the foundation. Tax strategy, tax avoidance, it is in record keeping so that you can claim the necessary deductions when the time comes for you to file for tax. So please put a like on this video and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for staying with us on this channel. So no tax planning. Don't wait until December to think about tax. Start from the first day of the accounting year. First day of January. Start from that time. Set aside 5 to 10% of monthly income, right? 5 to 10% monthly, and review your finances quarterly. If you serve as your tax consultant, we can work with you on this to reduce your tax liability. This is very important. Then number 9, not using tax deductions. There's what we call tax deductions. If you incur expenses, for example, if you are a business, right, you bought a goods to be sold in your business for 500,000, for example, right? So that's the cost of that product that you want to sell. So, and then at the end of the day, you make a profit of, let's say, 100,000. So before, of course, if you make a profit of 100,000 on 500,000 goods, I'm just using that for example, that's 600,000. That 500,000 must be deducted from the 600,000 to know your actual profit, which is 100,000. So it will only be on, of course, there will still be operating expenses as well, which will also reduce your tax liability. So you need to use tax deduction, and there are so many tax deductions that are available for business owner, from their cost of goods sold, cost of sales, operating expenses. They are tax deductible. That's why you need to keep all your tax record, tax transaction receipts of all your businesses. You need to keep them, right? Even if you don't have accounting software, we can help you implement accounting software, right? To be tracking all your expenses, all your business, and then you post them regularly. So many business owners overpay tax because they don't claim allowable expenses, like rent is allowable expenses, like utilities, electricity, transport, salaries, internet, professional fees to consultants. They are tax deductible to reduce your tax liability. So that is part of tax planning, tax strategy, tax avoidance that will help you reduce your tax liability. And we are always here showing up for you, giving you all this information that you can use to benefit, that will benefit your business and reduce your tax liability. So you can serve as your tax consultant, serve as your external auditor, serve as your professional consulting firm. So you can reach out to us, like this video, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for staying true. Then mistake number 10, as we are rounding up, no professional support. We've said it here. You cannot do it alone by yourself. You need a consultant. We are your consultants. Reach out to us, right? So trying to handle tax all alone by yourself can be expensive. What you are thinking that you want to do everything all alone by yourself. It's so the last but not the least, as we're saying, no professional support. If you don't have professional support, it's a big problem. Trying to handle everything all alone by yourself, right, will be more expensive for it will be more expensive for you. So you need a tax consultant that will save you stress and save you money. We will save you stress and save you money. We've represented a lot of clients that we've saved them stress and money. So reach out to us, subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is your channel, Business Owner, Entrepreneur, Professional. Let's tell, if you are connected to us and you know business owner, entrepreneurs or professional, help us share this channel to them. Let them subscribe. We are always telling them about business strategies, business compliances, business secrets that help their business to thrive and grow in this year 2026. And as we have promised, we will always be showing up on this YouTube channel to support you in your business. So you need a tax consultant like TOSJOHN Consulting to help you save yourself stress and then time and money as well. So as we close this live streaming session, if you need help with tax compliances, payroll, accounting, audit support, financial structures, CAC, audits, anything at all, TOSJOHN is here for you. We are here for you. We are here to help you and support your business to grow. So you can call us. Our contact line is on this WhatsApp. You can call us. You can send us an email and we will respond. So if this video has really helped you, right, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Tell us in the comment section, right, which tax mistake have you made before? Right? And if you are just starting out, you've seen all these mistakes that you must avoid. And please take note of it and take action on it. Share it with business owner as well. Let them know about it. So tax compliance saves you money. We've said it over and over. Avoid penalty. Get help from TOSJOHN Consulting, your trusted business growth support partner, your tax partner, your CAC accredited partner, your audit partner, your accounting partner, financial structure partner, anything as regards to business compliances. We are your professional business strategic support partner. Reach out to us and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that anytime we come online, you will always see our video. We love you, we appreciate you, and we are rooting for your business. Thank you very much for staying through on this live session. And we've said it also that if you have a product to advertise, we are here to help you push your product to the global stage. So reach out to us and we will help you make your product visible on this YouTube channel. So until we come your way in another live streaming, please make sure you are compliant. Make sure you are doing the right thing in your business. So thank you. Like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye for now. See you in another live streaming. Bye.